Hello guys. So have you ever wondered how quickly you can create a 1 GB file? So the idea is to quickly generate insert data to a text file, right? But if your goal is only to create 1 GB text file, then this might help. So let me disable this. Okay. So we have the main function, and let's say path equal path of maybe 1 GB.txt, something like that. And you can create a file without actually putting anything into that, and that's it. And now you can start creating the file. So we'll try. You tries with resource RandomAccessFile file new RandomAccessFile and path to file, and the mode is read write. Actually, we need to throw the exception. Okay. Sure. And now simply file set length and the size, and put a notification file created. Now let's see. So actually we have created the file. So let's see where is that. Let's see. So this is the 1 GB.txt. I will show it in terminal. So actually is 1 KB. You have successfully created 1 GB file, but actually it doesn't have any content. So the reading is very slow, but actually there is nothing inside the file. So what if you still want to quickly create a file, but they have actual text? So here is your recipes. 1 GB text file with text, PSVM, something like that, and I will copy the basic command here. So with text. So we'll still have the path and the file. Since we actually write the data to the file, so I will need to specify a buffer for efficient writing. Buffer. So this is 1 MB buffer. So for efficient writing, I'm going to use FileChannel. And open the path. So we need to create a file, right? And create and write. So create, let me see. Yes, exactly. And also write. So we create and write. Actually, we need to throw this. Yeah. So now we will write the data. So we use buffer. Yes, for NIO we have ByteBuffer. Okay, so let me change this. Buffer ByteBuffer allocate and the buffer size. So we have a buffer of 1 MB. So here is the random text. So you can put anything, but string line this is the test data. Okay. And get bytes. Data line. Get bytes. Yeah, probably UTF-8, and here we put the data inside the buffer. So while buffer remaining data length. So if we have still the remaining still larger than the buffer size, the data size, then we put the data into the buffer data. Yep. So now we need to flip the buffer to switch to write mode. Flip. Long return 0. While return less than file size. So let me rename this to something that make more sense. Okay, so this desired size, and then we can use FileChannel to write the buffer, right? And we update the return and buffer capacity, and reset the rewind the buffer ready for the next write. That's it. And when the while is done, then 1 GB file created. Yeah, something like that. And file. Where's the file name? Let me see. Okay, path. Actually, the path to absolute path, so we can see the file. So let's do some benchmarking. So instant now, right? So we will mark the end to start. Okay. And so just to benchmark how fast it is for us to write the file. So it seems we're ready. So let's try it. So let's see. It took let me see. So roughly 1.4 seconds. And now we go to the terminal. 1 GB with text, right? So like tail 1 GB with text. That still is very slow. So this is everything in one line. So that was my mistake. So if I put a new line here, then probably we will have the tail function more correctly. Let me see. Run the program again. Tail GB text. Yeah, so you'll have it. So you see that writing 1 GB text file took only more than 1 second on my machine. This is a Mac Mini MacBook Air M1. So the result would be different on multiple machines, but this is still very quick. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.